Hello everyone. Today I have a question to ask you, and which is, have you ever been an actor from a movie? Maybe the question seems unnecessary, but I have a reason behind it. Like you, unfortunately, and you know that you are a main character from a movie, and I'm not talking ridiculous, but yeah, this is the truth. So my point is, you are the main character from your life, and main characters always seems perfect. So why can't you? Like they stay motivated even on difficult times. They don't run away from their responsibilities. So why can you? Why do you do that? So my point is, act like a main actor, because you know that you are the main character of your life. So that's it. See ya in the next month.